World Children's Day. The only thing all children require in common is their rights. Every child has the endurance to survive and prosper, to be educated, to be free from abuse and violence, to take part and to be heard. Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. As a child-focused organization, World Vision joins the UN in supporting the ideals and goals of the important day for children. In 1954, the UN General Assembly appointed a day to promote the importance of a safe and healthy childhood on the Day of Fraternity for Children. Most countries in the world celebrate Children's Day on November 20th on UN Day. It is important to celebrate all children with joy and happiness. It is also critical time to educate them of the difficulties other children face every day, such as children workers, while some are immersed in conflicts or living on the streets. We should share the reality of the world's less fortunate children who are suffering just because of differences. Many countries are increasing the child welfare budget to give them proper care and education. We need to provide further importance and emphasis to education, as children who do not attend school are often the most vulnerable and marginalized and can then experience the difficulties and horrors of child labor. Many children are being left behind and unable to go to school because their parents depend on them for work, and many schools around the world have no water points or even toilets. Others cannot go to school because they can speak a language that is not spoken in their school, or their teaching materials showing that differences in language, religion and background are still barriers that children are facing. Thank you.